I've been asked to have a look at this tilt and turn window. It's stuck open about 1 inch at the top and it won't come down to halfway to open it properly. It won't go up to lock. Looking on this one here, that's one there that's open as a sideways opening window. Pushing it up to the top should mean that it opens like that. Closing it and dropping it down to the bottom locks it. So I want to get this one to the bottom or halfway down, but it won't come because it can't get up to the top, and that's one of these little nubs on the sides. One of these little claws, there's a lot of diggers out there, or one of these little nubs at the bottom or somewhere up at the top there is in the wrong place and isn't engaging. So with the blind removed, we can see we have a catch here and a catch here. And there's another catch here, and there's that little pin there. So haven't done nothing other than somehow remove the Venetian blind and force it, and I've got it all back together again now. It opens in like that, opens up like that. Oh, now it's doing it again. Okay, so that's interesting. It's like it's bouncing past something there. So with the hand in the up position, it's like it's getting restricted from going in. Very difficult to tell. Obviously it can't come down because the thing is stuck, so that time it's closed. Right, okay, so if we open it, it's like one of these things is in the wrong position. So can we move them somehow? I don't know if we can. Does it look like it's being banging off something there? It doesn't really, there's no real damage to it. This one looks like it's had a bit of abuse. Let's try moving that one up, I guess, because yeah, it looks like that's had a bit of wear. So let's try moving this one here up a bit. So we need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's tighten this up. Okay. So we raise that as high as we can, and then we got it tightened up fast again. Now it seems to be working better. That may well have just been it. That little piece of metal was the wrong way around. That's it, locked. Try it again. Let's open it up fully. A bit loose at the top there, but I think that's a feature of these windows. Put up to the top, open it. Clicks out somehow. It seems to have a bit of a restrictor there, so pop it past that and it closes in again. Okay, so I'm happy with that now. I've done something and it does seem to have made a bit of a difference. So let's try one more time. Open, up, open, locked. Okay, let's leave it at that. Let's leave it at that. Thanks for watching.